No, I not get it. I not get you. I not get it. Any children, I not get husband. Nothing.
Jesus Christ, no wonder when your womb they say nyam 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 nyam. Ah, no husband. Now you just keep yourself 45 years. Oh, now how do you take the
do? I see better months.
But you dey use your hand. No lie to me. Make her for help you.
No.
Oh.
No, mommy.
My member dey free there. Is there any of my member wey free? Rima. No say no Ryoko, no dori estana la wogo. La jamais you proud. Where you dey for Italy? Oh, no. Devil is a liar. Devil is a liar. Amen. Jesus. How many years now you never take water?
That is, mommy, I just say as a sea boy they do, but you don't know, they're not the serious say they won't settle down. Now that will be the issue.
But how many months you don't take water? Now they ask.
Almost 2 months and I've been 30 to 3 months.
Now chop and clean months you they do. No, you don't pass that level, eh? 45 years, still they do chop and clean months. If you can't do a to last enjoy here, not good, eh? Any 45 years wait till they do chop and clean man. Then who are where a man po worry who are twin. You see they see your message.
No, not true.
No, say me I'm not the lie. I must tell you the truth.
Not true. Not true they talk.
Your menopause don't start.
No man.
Your menopause never starts.
No.
I need to give you man today. Your own majesty. You know, say if you go hospital now, they go say majesty and slow enemy. Your own is a majesty, meaning today. This hours. I beg. Obiaro no free, no more boko no re. No more be una work time ya na imu wela jave Facebook YouTube. Why woman seriously 45 years wala. No one serious. We are now no the only one form of a marriage one. Eti Jesus Christ no me mafa. Oh, you are from where?
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about one woman wey come on me Iyore say in there 45 years. So he never born pikin, he no get man for his life. Then mommy Iyore say I beg anybody. He say make we share this video. Anybody wey just dey available before this our sister go enter menopause. He say I beg make una contact her. Make it quick hook this our sister up because 45 years, he say many men don't shop in money, they don't do action and not be small. So now he make mommy Iyore say this how na urgent like seriously. I go dey put a picture for them on see I beg. Anybody where they are available, may you contact mommy Iyore because this our sister how na in fact now urgent. Mommy Iyore say how na emergency. So if you know say you they are available, may you contact mommy Iyore I beg. Thank you, ma. Put the video more No,
I not get it. I not get it. Any children, I not get husband. Nothing.
Jesus Christ, no wonder when your womb they say nyam 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 nyam. Ah, no husband. Now you just keep yourself 45 years. Oh, now how do you take the door?
I see better months.
But you dey use your hand. No lie to me. Make her for help you.
No.
Oh.
No, mommy.
My member dey free there. Is there any of my member wey free? Rima. No say no Ryoko, no dori estana la wogo. La jamais you proud. Where you dey for Italy? Oh, no. Devil is a liar. Devil is a liar. Amen. Jesus. How many years now you never take water?
That is, mommy, I just say as a sea boy they do, but you don't know, they're not the serious say they won't settle down. Now that will be the issue.
But how many months you don't take water? Now they ask.
Almost 2 months and I've been 30 to 3 months.
Now chop and clean months you they do. No, you don't pass that level, eh? 45 years, still they do chop and clean mat. If you can't do at all as enjoy here, not good, eh? Any 45 years, wait till they do chop and clean mat. Then you are where a man up worry, who are twin. You see, they see your messages.
No, not true.
No, say me, I'm not the lie. I must tell you not the truth.
Not true. Not true, they talk.
Your menopause don't start.
No, man.
Your menopause never starts.
No.
I need to give you man today. Your own majesty. You know, say if you go hospital now, they go say majesty and slow name. Your own is a majesty, meaning today. This hours. I beg. Obiaro no free, no more boko no re. No more be una work time ya na imuela jave Facebook YouTube. Why woman seriously 45 years wala wala. No one serious. They are now no the only one form of a marriage one. A tea Jesus Christ no me mafa.
So
you are from where?
Abo.
Oh, Jay. Oh, that no say. If I see person wey dey 45, 44, we never born, the thing they pay me, cause I know what you they pass through. Your pillow go down wet.
No, not true.
Oh, your pillow go down wet. How do you still they get one bottle of whiskey for house? Put her for video call. Make her see.
I don't drink.
Not drink, oh yeah.
Ma?
You not drink.
No, I don't drink. I don't drink.
But you know the also again.
No.
Abi you carry this kokobiri we call now. You carry.
No, I don't define other tribe. I define Nigerian people.
Why una call the wrong
I define
like this?
Nigerian people.
Why una call the wrong? Now don't open one.
Not the same with the rock. Not the same with the rock. And Dima, you know they speak English. Like they speak English, people still good.
La ovaro no more. Wala wo. Wala brother. Wait, your number. You need to do Christmas and New Year with your husband. Now what I wish you be that. You put her for video call, make her see you.
Okay, mommy.
Oh, Baba God, hear my prayer. You fine. Well, you just resemble Hausa. You resemble Hausa girl. You be Hausa, baby. Tell me truth. Your mama na Hausa.
I love you, Hausa.
But you do look like Hausa girl.
I love you, Hausa.
You fine. Ah, Jesus. Why man not they chop this one now? Why? Why now?
I don't know.
You just say you not they harsh.
No.
But why you not come? How many you don't friends since you call? Don't eat 10.
No.
How many?
That is 4.
Now you the pursue that been there go just go change number.
Mom may not be saying I mean they pursue them because if you are the dead, the new that they spread sometimes some 4 years, sometimes some 3 years.
You said they don't waste your time.
If you reach time where they want to see your husband, they will go to Nigeria, go marry.
Jesus. They don't chop you. Money you never give them money one day, child. Not lie.
I give them.
You don't give them 200,000. We could donate 200,000 euro.
Because make me the pity for person if I get.
Why you go give 200 euro to 200,000 to man?
I love I don't know if love not go reach grand.
Oh, Baba, Jimmy, 200,000 we go reach you to better your life. You don't go ever suffer again. Which work you they do?
Now, before I dey hustle, but now me they do abadanti.
Oh, now when you dey hustle, you dey get money way for road. You could just carry they give them, and then they ask you, I mean, you they tell them say carry.
But they ask because me get pity mind. If they ask, I'll pitch, I'll give.
Like how much if they want to ask you, like I want make people learn from your story. Now me go give you my you say go come give testimony. Like how much that they ask you?
Sometimes you go ask of 3. Sometimes if I keep, the person go pass my bag, he go take him. If I draw, I go say go pay back, he not go pay. I go still forget.
3,000, you go just give her cash.
I got. I'm not going to do that one again.
Oh, you see life? 200,000 euro. You know how much it be? It big for Nigeria. Oh.
I know.
Eh? Now make your womb come they pay you. The thing too plenty. Because that 200,000 na your body you take work on. You see, huh? But when you dey do the work, you not do juju to get customer.
No.
No. If you spend money, give man. They're not the married person. They're not the married person. That one, they exist more than 30 years. Since 30 years now. Any man where they friend you, ask you money, not they marry you. You go take you like a fool. You go say you're not wise. They're not the married woman where not wise. Now he kill many people today for Europe.
That one not true. Because I don't see many.
Those boys now your country boys. I've been at my people.
Na
Bini boys. Now the one where they put trousers for Nyash.
Ma?
Now the one where they dress, they go leave their chest for that.
Why they carry Louis?
Now you go carry. Yeah, no wonder. The one where they carry Louis.
How do you throw people?
How you go carry church? Church where everybody they run.
Mommy, you know the person not go know now. If you don't come, they'll come with his with mouth.
They chop your enemy, eh? No problem, make the carry go. Thank God say you dey alive.
I don't do that one again. I don't come up for that side.
You dey alive. Now what's important, okay? I know give you math today because I know some all those Europe men they go say the day we go ask you €5, you go cost when almost 200,000 Okpia. So they are catable. You know what I mean? Catable of saying that if you tell them your story, you tell them your past, they'll come and take and laugh you. Many of them they don't get important brain. You know, a woman will tell you her story. You know, say you're not supposed to take and laugh if quarrel day. So many of our men, that's what they be. The court say, when my
even me not even make a vote, I will say if I go to Nigeria, I'll settle down. Before my girlfriend come give me your number, come give me your Facebook account yesterday.
Oh, you been want to go Nigeria? Okay, you been new member.
Now yesterday I enter.
Oh, see how God is doing something. Wow.
Now one of my girlfriends that I go in house yesterday, he they wash you. Let me go down and say for Facebook because me know they wash you. So he can't carry my phone, he can't download your this thing, your everything put. It's because they wash you, say the way they follow you.
The thing just touch me. So you be want to pack, you go Nigeria. Or you be want to go carry man.
I won't go Nigeria. Boys, maybe the register because I won't go this and my passport never come out. That makes me rest.
I'll give you ma, yeah, not power. I'll give you better one. We'll go settle down with you. 3 of us go do a video call. I go settle down do one for you, yeah. No worry. I'll give you tomorrow. I go settle down find better one for you. Which one you want? The one where short, I'll be the one where talk.
Mommy, so far it top past me.
And if I give you man, not tell the man say you don't first spend money, give man. Yeah, not tell them. Just tell them say you they look for the best. Yeah, now make you never marry. Not tell them say get sense. So if you tell them they'll call it take that they look you. They don't know say it's part of life. It's a life. It's now what the person they see, if person they go, you know. No worry. Not tell them. No open mouth. Don't say, Bini boy, don't chop your money. Or not talk am.
Okay, mommy.
I'll give you better person. Tomorrow they will call me. I'll give you. I know the kind man when I'll give you. Man will be say he talks more. He get body black. Now he go fit you. Yeah, you
Okay,
respect him. Then I will come see. God bless you.
Thank you, ma. God bless you.
Bye bye. One love.
Okay, na.
Agbọ̀dé bá fẹ́ sọ ma ìpèsè àrí ọmọ ìyẹn tó ọmọ tètè wá mi ọmọ ni wá mú ẹ nana I love the do àmúnú do tiẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ yẹn wá mi balọ̀ wọ́n 200,000 euro okay so gbéra some people ò rí 300,000. Hello.
Hello, mommy. Lórí àtọ.
It's
mommy.
Ó ṣàìtì wẹ́.
Come, mommy. Yo, mommy. Mommy, that will mom will bore. Won't what love of it. Come and live with you.
Salama me don't not tell you here by one. Uga one mena kevi kevi negi man ro we boga yo ekwa be ni Jesu Kristo no do mi mafa. Uga one mena tenika uga boze senu e. It's a call remember bless.
Come on me what's it? Say to mommy. You will.
Una agbegbe aga. Forget to do we man amigo. We ma go rigbe aga. We ma go rigbe aga. Even so 2 days or me 1,000. So 3 days or me 3,000. Depend. Eboke we do support. Where you must say, oh I me face when we outside Gmamia. Ni Gmamia na tani ri o waje. Very fine lady. O ma we go say Jini no why you French. I just my so leave a message. Hello, God bless you. What to you?
Hello, mommy, I talk me.
He said, Jesus.
Mommy, like, mommy, I think a boy, more polycona with you, and live with me that so, anyway, mommy, where's the mommy on season,
Glory be to God. Usawese gogo awful uje mi ame yawe mi po mani be salt and water ministry ma je mi ame yawe mi po oko ma ne ko enwa no gi me ki judge no gi me ko no nwa no gi mo ro no nwa uje mi ame yawe mi po ko
amen sir west
Eugene. Hello, God bless you. Dia moko ne dia mokbia ne na. O bia we bo yin ja o hogu kamugo no bia. O ye isole wo gbe. Odani ya no 5 euro o manari ya o ya gba o kan. Ya ni jeri gbo ma kan bun 7 we bu na.